guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Yolissa hair, and they sent me this beautiful water wave 13 by 4 HD lace, 36 inches. Sis is 4 inches away from a 40 inch, okay, period. Like, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? It's giving 250 density. It is 250 density, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Very thick and actually very long. I'm living for it. Like, who you know? But before we get into this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me their Yolissa head tie. They sent me some stocking cap, which I didn't use because I had one open already. I have they sent me some elastic band and some hair care card, and also the Yolissa bag. And obviously I could just put my wig in this when I'm done wearing it. Now for the wig. So like I said, this wig is a 36 inch 13 by 4 250 density HD lace wig, and as you can see, it's definitely giving HD lace. It's definitely giving the length that it's supposed to give, and it's definitely giving the thickness. I'm gonna show you guys how far it reaches me. So this is the length of the wig. It's literally I'm gonna say underneath my bum, because my bum is like right here. And if I'm supposed to give it like a measurement, it's literally right under my bum. And I'm 5'5", so if you guys are supposed to get this wig, like, this is where it will actually, if you are the same height as me, then this is where the wig will actually like reach you. Right, literally at my bum. Literally at my bum, like underneath my bum. Yeah, so yeah, that is the length of the wig. Now if you guys want to see how I end up getting this cute style, I didn't know what to do with this wig. I wanted to do a side part at first, but then I was just like, I've never actually done a kind of half up half down with a little bit at the front with curly hair, and I didn't know how it would have like turned out. But I actually like it, and I'm happy I did, because it actually went so good with my outfit, and everybody was complimenting my hair all night, telling me they loved my hair. So I think I actually did good. So if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is so desire. Ooh.
watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell 'em, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my, Junior watching, I be on my, tell 'em this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior watching, I be on my, Junior watching, I be on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my, Junior watching, I be on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior watching, I be on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right at it die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting closer, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I'm outside in it.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me, yeah.
work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve and murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the street.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys like to purchase this wig, then definitely check that out. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.